empowerment to look and feel like a confident, attractive man to any woman. An empowered man has developed traits and attitudes that boost his self-confidence. Let's erase the accumulated weaknesses from living under imposed male expectations. We'll remove cultural, religious, and societal pressures to fit male stereotypes. Let's eliminate the pressure to be a provider and achieve certain economic status. We'll erase the toll of struggling to fit this stereotype: fatigue, sacrifice, distortion. Let's remove the misconception that power comes from physical appearance or strength. Let's clear up the confusion between emotional strength and being emotionally numb. Let's dispel the myth that men don't need emotional support. We remove the need to suppress emotions due to a fear of vulnerability or not fitting stereotypes. We eliminate the notion that men alone must make decisions or be seen as weak. We erase the unconscious drive to compete and win against other men. We remove the habit of competing and comparing ourselves with men we interact with daily. We clarify that being an empowered man isn't about being controlling or tyrannical. We erase the cumulative effect of all that's brought limitation, negative experiences, losses, traumas, illnesses, karmas, and curses. I clear this from you, your ancestors, and descendants in this life and others. I separate you from the collective that thinks, feels, and acts this way. We'll erase the effect of misinformation and misinterpretation that led to aggressive, insensitive, and egotistical behavior. We erase the price paid: heartbreak, loneliness, disharmony, poverty, lack, limitation, and illness. Be strong to accept and recognize that you've paid. You don't need to keep paying. Be strong to accept that you've suffered. You don't need to keep suffering. Be strong to accept that making amends isn't suffering, but changing behavior. Be strong to acknowledge equity in relationships and domestic roles. Let's eliminate resistance and rejection towards gender equality. Let's dispel the myth that household chores or childcare make you weak. Let's strengthen you to recognize that empowerment comes from acting justly. Let's remove the reluctance to seek help when you need it. We erase the energy wasted on frustration, anger, and feeling defeated. Let's overcome the resistance to discussing emotional problems. We eliminate the refusal to acknowledge emotional impact. We erase the toll that resisting education takes on you. have brought into your life. Depression, anxiety, frustration, bitterness, confusion, loneliness, sadness, dissatisfaction, sense of failure, and a mix of these and other emotions. We erase it completely and permanently to zero minus infinity 100% of the time for infinite time. Strong enough to trust yourself, your path, your experience, your physical intelligence, your skills, and your abilities. Strong enough to keep gaining knowledge that improves your quality of life. Strong self-image, strong in personal care, strong in seeking intellectual growth, strong in caring for your physical, mental, and emotional health, strong in constantly boosting your physical potential through this care, strong in persevering towards your goals and objectives. Let's erase the memories of you and your ancestors giving up, settling, and meekly accepting defeat. We're going to be strong to persevere towards your desires, goals, and objectives, strong to show vulnerability, thoughts, and emotions, and strong to act on your values and ideals, even against social expectations. Strong in respecting all beings, regardless of race, culture, religion, politics, or sexual orientation. Strong for equal rights and consideration, strong in caring for the earth and animals. Let's erase all curses and karma from subduing, mistreating, exploiting, and torturing weaker beings. We'll strengthen your dignified treatment of yourself and others, strong to accept the consequences of your decisions, actions, thoughts, and words, strong to take responsibility for everything in your life, strong to seek first change within yourself. Be strong to positively influence others through your example. Be strong to truly empower yourself, not just appear empowered. Be strong to let go, erase, release, break free, forgive, protect, and unconditionally forget your past. Be strong to release the harm others caused you, the pain, suffering, and what you see as failure. Be strong to start anew again and again, free from constraints, free from enslaving thoughts, free from pain, burdens, regrets, guilt, and self-reproach. Be strong to learn from every fall, strong to learn from each negative experience. Be strong to seek greater awareness daily. Be strong to act as your best self. Be strong in learning, personal growth, and self-discovery. Be strong to bounce back from every loss, failure, and painful situation. From each setback, strong enough to find creative solutions to all your problems and challenges, strong enough to reframe your problems into new opportunities, strong enough to support and encourage others, creating opportunities for them too, strong enough to promote equality and inclusion in every area you operate in, strong enough to maintain a mindset of progress, kindness, and equality, strong enough to work on improving your self-confidence, physical strength, and ability to make smart, fair, relevant, informed, and responsible decisions for yourself and others, strong enough to have healthy empathy, to be understanding and patient with others' growth processes, strong enough to communicate with respect and dignity towards others, to empathize objectively and neutrally with others' perspectives, eliminating the tendency to empathize with others solely based on their weaknesses. Don't take on pain and emotions that aren't yours. Will erase them completely, instantly and permanently. Be strong. Understand others' feelings without judgment. Be strong. Listen without needing to fix everything. Be strong. Simply listen and be there for others. Be strong. Build relationships on respect and fairness. Be strong. Lead by example with self-control. Be strong. Live fully through conscious leadership. Be strong. Engage with others collaboratively. Be strong. Recognize and value others' good ideas. Be strong. Appreciate others' contributions sincerely. Be strong. Champion gender equality. Strong enough to challenge cultural norms and defy traditional roles and stereotypes. Strong enough to reject participation in discrimination and violence. Strong enough to care for your body, maintain your appearance, and skillfully manage your mind and emotions. Strong enough to prioritize well-being, balancing work, relationships, and personal time. Strong enough to adopt new healthy habits that promote well-being and personal growth. Strong enough to support and collaborate with other men respectfully, fostering positive masculinity. Strong to be same, not same, different, not different, change, no change, perception, no perception. Let's strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of you and each geometry we work on. 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll erase everything that hinders, limits, or delays, impedes, or blocks, so you can embrace all these qualities, become a more attractive man, and feel the power within you. We'll erase it to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Strong to reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Same or different?